Isn't it horrible when you get that random feeling of hunger? Don't you hate when you're going through your kitchen and there isn't any food to make in the house? Well, I can tell you now, your problems are solved with the Insta Dish Microwave. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, listen up. All you have to do is use this simple tablet which can be bought anywhere. But from there, now what you're going to want to do is put it in the microwave, set the timer for 10 seconds, and just wait. Just like that, your food is done. Now enjoy.